In this video, I'm going to share with you the 3-step method to deploying artificial intelligence in your business. Artificial intelligence is by far the most disruptive technology that the world has ever seen. It is and will be in everything, from businesses to home life, from phones to laptops. It will be impactful of absolutely everything. So right now, when we experience the rise of artificial intelligence, business owners need to adapt. So these 3 steps will give you an introduction on how to identify artificial intelligence opportunities. If you do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button. We help you take massive action in your business. So step 1. Step 1 is first and foremost is to map out your business. If you're visual, you can map out your business on a whiteboard. If you might want to get onto your laptop and start drawing out your business. What you're doing is you are wanting to draw out the system stages, the major functions in your business. So if you think of from marketing to sales to HR to finances to every single stage. If you've got an Amazon FBA business, for example, a wholesale business, it could be from sourcing suppliers to sourcing potential profitable products to reviewing those products to purchasing to fulfillment to shipping, logistics to repricing, whether it's Seller Central, whether that's on Amazon, whether it's on Walmart or eBay. You've got all these system stages. It's like looking at a car. A car is the vehicle, right? The car, the finished article, is your business. But underneath, it's got components that all work together that allows the car to come to be, right? So therefore, once you've got that, you've got your system stages, that is your business. The next step will be to begin to allocate time, right? What is the length of time it takes for every single system stage? When you think of sourcing, or if you think of sales, if you think of HR, if you think of finances, over this next 1-2 weeks, if you haven't already, begin to track what is taking the most time. When you think it might be taking 10 hours a week to do administration, it's taking 15 hours a week to do operations, it's repricing, whatever the case might be. Then at that point, what you want to do is essentially create a priority list based on time, where the things that are taking the most time, put them at the top, and the things that are taking the least time, put them at the bottom. So you've got like a hierarchy. Then what you want to do is you want to start exploring, testing, deploying artificial intelligence tools which could help you. So if, for example, it is administration, you can begin to look at what tools are available to help you with your emails or your calendar or whatever the case might be. If you think of you've got accounting to do, is there and how much time it takes, is there any tools that can help you artificially support you with that? When you think of the foundations of the technology, it's rapidly evolving. OpenAI initially released ChatGPT. That now has the ability not just to allow you to research and to explore and understand things easier, quicker, faster. It now even allows you to create images, create videos. It now you also have like Operator, where you can give instructions on create a reservation, place an order. It now has the ability to actually operate on screen as you're watching this. What you're doing is you are identifying the highest leverage, time-saving areas in your business. This is going to give you a significant advantage. It's going to allow you not just to reduce costs, it's going to allow you to become more productive. If you need to create an image, you can get AI to create an image. If you need it to create an email, it can allow you to create an email through AI. If you need it to respond and write a letter, it can do that. If you need to research and understand how something is done, it can do that. If you are trying to optimize your sales process or your website, it can give you areas on how to do that. This is by far the most transformational technology that we've ever experienced. People like the Elon Musks, the Jeff Bezos, the founder or the CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman, that's what they're doing. That's what they're investing billions upon billions of pounds on data centers, in artificial intelligence hubs, and the rate of evolution is exponential. So therefore, the sooner we start to deploy and understand it and begin to test and experience, right? It's an ever-changing marketplace, which means that there's new technologies all the time. So, but the key fundamental is to go through the process. It's something that myself I've been looking into over this last 2 years. When we first started talking about artificial intelligence, myself and Martin, we had a great day where we was just trying to brainstorm, like trying to anticipate. A great saying is, winners anticipate, losers react. And if you think back in the 90s when the internet first came around, people didn't know what it was. They were concerned. They had uncertainty. There's a famous clip that says, "What is internet anyway?" 1994. So this completely changed everything. And my goal was just to share with you like this 3-step method that you could explore. So as a recap, map out your business. Once you've got that, start allocating time. And then once you've got that, start researching what is taking the most amount of time and how you can deploy AI. And that could save you potentially hours every single week. With those hours, you can then start to work more on your business, not in your business. And you can start to introduce AI agents, etc. So if you do want to learn any more, we've got a podcast on this YouTube channel. We're also releasing the Rise of Agentic e-commerce platform, which is an ebook. That's a great introduction. It talks about history. It talks about where we are right now, AI first thinking. It talks about how to deploy AI, what we can anticipate over this next 1,000 days, using AI across multiple sales channels. It's we've collected everything we've kind of discussed and experienced and put it into an ebook for you, which you can get down below. So my name's been Kev, inspiring you every day to keep taking massive action.